Microsoft promised a new game announcement at its Xbox Developer Direct event, and that game turned out to be Ninja Gaiden 4. The new entry in the long-running franchise is being co-developed by Team Ninja along with Platinum Games, the team behind action games like Bayonetta and Nier Automata. The game is launching in fall 2025 and will be coming to Xbox, PC, and PS5. It'll also be available via Game Pass. While the Ninja Gaiden franchise has been around since the late 80s, it entered into a new era on the Xbox with the bloody and tough as nails Ninja Gaiden on Xbox in 2004. That version, developed by Team Ninja, was ported to a handful of other consoles and also received a number of sequels. Based on the debut trailer, the new game looks to continue the dark action started with the 2004 release, but with even faster gameplay. In addition to the brand new release, a remake of Ninja Gaiden 2 was also announced called Ninja Gaiden 2 Black. In a nice surprise, the game's available now on console, PC, and Game Pass. These aren't the only returns to Ninja Gaiden in the works, however. Retro experts Dotemu are also developing a new throwback release called Ninja Gaiden Ragebound.